Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to study mental maths. So children, let's start. See here, mental maths book, chapter 4, pages 24-25. So first children, open the page number 24. Page number 24, open. Children, now we will be doing revision of mental maths, page 24. A A1. A. Write the numbers before and after. See here, before and after. A. Write the numbers before number and after number. You write here. Okay. Number 1. Before 36. You write here 35. After 36, 36, 37. Okay. Number 2, 74. Okay. So before 74, after 74. Before 74, 73. After 74, 75. Okay. 3 is very easy. So practice 1 to 100 first, numbers and backward also. 29. Before 29, 28. After 29, any problem, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Number 4, see, 77. Before and after. So before 77, 76. And after 77, 77, 78. Okay. Number 5, 84. 84. Before 84, 83. 83, 84. Okay. 84. After 84, 84, 85. Okay. 6. Number 6, 99. After number 99, after number 100. Hundred. One, 00. 100. Before number 98. Okay. 7. Number 7, 20. Before 20, 19. 19, 20. After 20, 21. Repeat 19, 20, 21. Okay. Number 8, 25. Before number 24 and after number 26. Okay. Number 9, 39. So before number 38, 39, 40. Okay. 38, 39, 40. Okay. Number 10, before 17, 16. After 17, 17, 18. Okay. So children, practice. Next, B. 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 Write the number that comes in between. In between. See? Comes in between. First number is C. 63 and 65. So children, 64 comes in between 63 and 65. So write here 64. Okay. Check it. 63, 64, 65. Okay. Number 2, 97 and 99. So children, 98 comes in between 97 and 99. Okay. 3, 27 and 29. Okay. So 28 in between comes 28 comes in between 27 and 29. Okay. 4, check 27, 28, 29. 4, 16 and 18. So children, 17 comes in between 17 comes in between 16 and 18. 88 and 19. So 89 comes in between 88 and 90. 88, 89, 90. Okay. 29 and 31. So 30 comes in between 18 and 20. 29, 30, 31. 74 and 76. So number, what's number? So 75 comes in between 74 and 76. So you write here 75. Number 8, 43 and 45. So children, 44 comes in between 43 and 45. So write here 44. Number 9 and 11. So 10, 9, 10, 11. So 10 comes in between 9 and 11. See, 71, 73, 71, 72, 73. So children, 72 comes in between 71 and 73. So write here 72. Okay. So practice numbers. Numbers. Next page 25. Fill in the blanks counting in twos. Okay. So see here 12, 13, 14. Counting twos. Step 2. 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16. So you write here 16, 16, 17, 18. Two step. Okay, 1, 2. So 16, 17, 18. So you write here 18. Okay, 19, 20. So write here 20. Any problem? Okay. Next number 2, 30, 32. Two step. So again 32, 33, 34. So you write here 34. Okay. 34, 35, 36, 36, 37, 38. Okay. Right here 38. Okay. For next 44, 46, 44, 45, 46. So 46, 47, 48. Two step. So write here 48. Okay. Next 48, 49, 50. 51, 52. Okay. Number 4, 78, 80. So 81, 82. Okay. 83, 84. 85, 86. Okay. So counting in twos. Okay. Next 5 step. Counting fives. B. Fill in the blanks in counting in fives. So number 1, 15, 20. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. See 20. So 20, 5, counting in fives. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So write here 25. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Right here 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So right here 35. Okay. Next number 2, 25, 30. So 25, 30. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 5. 5 counting in fives. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So write here 35. Okay. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Right here 45. So counting in fives. Okay. 40 next 45, 50. So again 5 steps. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So right here 50. Okay. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Number 4, 60, 65. 65, 5 step. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So I write here 70. counting in fives. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So 5 steps you go, children. I hope everyone understood. Draw the lines. Any problem, draw the lines. 5 lines, 2 lines, 3 lines. Counting in threes. So you draw the lines 3. So you go 3 step. Okay. Counting in fives. So draw the lines 5. And counting lines 4, lines 10. Okay. Next, see, fill in the blanks in counting in tens. Okay, so see here 10, 20. 10, 20, you know, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Counting in tens. Any problem, children? Draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so see here 10, 20, 30. Again you dip after 30, 10 step you go, so 40. See here 31, 32, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. See 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. You practice 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. So 10, 20 counting in tens. Okay. 10 step. So 30, 40 you write here 50, 60, 70. It's very easy. Okay. Number 3, 50, 60 write here 70, 80, 90. Okay. Number 4. So children 60, 70, 80. Okay. Before 60, 50, 40. So now count 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. So children practice. Now children take out your school diary, homework. Write your homework chapter 4 pages 24, 25. So practice.